Having trouble with distorted sound in your Amazon Echo? This can happen because of a weak Wi-Fi signal, old software, or a problem with the speaker. In this video, I'll guide you through simple steps to fix the sound issues in your Echo. Let's jump right in. Before we start, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Restart the Alexa Echo. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds and then plug it back in. After that, open the Alexa apps open. Tap the bulb icon, select your device, tap Settings, tap Wi-Fi network, check the connection health. If this says, that means you have no issues with Wi-Fi. However, if this says poor, that means you have issues with internet, so you can restart your Wi-Fi to solve that problem. After following this, if are you still facing the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Check alarms and timers. Open the Alexa app. If you set any alarm or reminder, you'll get there. You need to stop it or delete it. Slide right to the left the alarm. Tap remove. That's it. Solution 3. Bluetooth connection disconnection. Alexa often makes a sound when pairing or losing connection with the Bluetooth device. So go to Alexa app. Tap on devices icon below. Now tap on your device name and look at the Bluetooth connections to see if any devices are frequently connecting or disconnecting. Then tap on the Bluetooth device. Now tap on the down arrow icon. Tap the disconnect device. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.